Most times, Canadians need to be in Canada in order to sponsor their spouse or common law partner for permanent residence, but not always. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, allows Canadian citizens to apply to sponsor their spouses, common law partners, dependent children and conjugal partners from abroad. However, they need to prove that they will move back to Canada when their sponsored family member becomes a permanent resident. We will be giving lots of details in this video, so you would want to stick around till the end. Welcome back to our channel. Work-Study Visa provide 100% free up-to-date guides to help foreigners like yourself visit, study in, work in Canada or immigrate permanently. Canada is currently the welcoming country in the world and we're excited to assist you come here. If this is your first time visiting, please consider subscribing to our channel. That way you get first-hand information at no cost. Simply hit the subscribe button, share the video and smash the thumbs up to help promote our work. One more thing. Feel free to ask your question via the comment section and our staff will respond. Now, let's get back to the topic of the day. How a citizen who wants to prove that they will move back to Canada depends on their individual circumstances and why they want to return. For instance, if the couple wants to move to Canada for work, they might support their sponsorship application with a confirmation of employment. If they are looking into daycares or schools, they could also lodge documents in support of their search. If the couple purchased a home, they could send in the land title or communications with realtors. Every case will be different, and the final outcome depends on the visa officer who is reviewing the file. Although permanent residents are allowed to sponsor their spouses while in Canada, only people with citizenship status can start the spousal sponsorship process from abroad. Canada is still processing spousal sponsorship applications amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. Immigration Minister Marco Mendicino recently said that Canada is working to process 49,000 of these applications in 2020. The new immigration levels plan is calling for about 80,000 spouses, partners, and children to be sponsored per year. IRCC's eligibility requirements. You can sponsor your spouse if you are at least 18 years old, you are a Canadian citizen or permanent resident. If you are a Canadian citizen living overseas, you must demonstrate that you plan to stay in Canada with the sponsored person when they become a permanent resident. A permanent resident is qualified to sponsor their partner if the permanent resident lives in Canada. And lastly, you can financially cater to the basic needs of the sponsored person. How to apply? There are two applications to sponsor your spouse or partner, which IRCC asks you to lodge together at the same time. They are the sponsorship application and permanent residence application. Step 1. Get the application form from IRCC. Step 2. Pay your application fees. Most times, these fees include processing fees, biometrics fee, and the right of permanent residence fee, all of which you need to pay online on IRCC's website. Step 3. Submit your application through mail to IRCC. After their application has been successfully submitted, the sponsor is financially responsible for the sponsored person for at least 3 years. Sponsored persons are not permitted to sponsor someone else for 5 years after they have been sponsored for Canadian permanent residence. Thank you for visiting our channel. We hope this topic was helpful. Just before you go, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the like button. You can also visit our website for more resources, check the description below. Thanks for supporting our work.